Hello, okay, today we will be calculating the value of each resistor and the total value in the series circuit. Okay, first of all, we must do, using this resistor, I'll be choosing 56K and 20K resistor. In the selector switch, I'll be choosing 1K. Before we do an experiment testing on our board, our resistor, we must do a zero adjustment, and as you can see it is already parallel at 0. And then to calculate each resistor value, I will be testing each resistor. For the resistor of 56K, the value will be in around 5.5, which means 55K ohm. And for the value of the 20K ohm resistor, using theory, is exactly at 20, so which means it is 20K ohm. And for the total in series for the two resistor will be 70K ohm. Okay, thank you.